Hello hoppers, today I am in Barcelona. Can you tell with all the greenery behind me? No, right? But you do hear the cars, see? There's a lot of sun. I'm blocking my face with a tree that's in front of me. That's why I'm squinting. Anyway, today I'm going to show you guys how to take public transportation in Barcelona. In one of my London videos, I told you guys that I was using an app called From Rome to Rio, and I've been using it quite a bit. I think it's very helpful, except like when you have to look at schedules, I find that that doesn't work that well. But as far as giving you different options of how to get to places, excellent. So that's what I'm using today to get around Barcelona. I'm going to use this app, and I'm going to Villa Olímpica, and I'm taking the tram to get there. So according to the app, I have to take the number 4 tram. I'm right across the street from Diagonal Mar, which is a big mall. So with this app, I really don't have much to think. It gives me all the different options. I've decided to take the tram. I know it's going to take me about 18 minutes and it's going to cost me €2. So I really don't have to think much. I just have to like punch in the location. But of course, remember, if you do not have a contract in Spain, if you're like traveling in Spain like I am now, then it will be roaming. So make sure you have some other option, either Wi-Fi or a mobile router or something of the sort. Because if not, you'll be paying roaming and you don't want to do that. I'm going to take the tram there. On the app, it shows me exactly the location of where I have to go, where the tram stop is, so it's perfect. The machines for the trams only accept coins and credit cards. Pick English. You can get a single ticket, a ticket for 10 trips, 50 to 30 for a month, trimester, 70 to 30 if you're young, I guess under a certain age, and a day trip. Let's see the day ticket, how much it is. It's for one zone and it's $7.60. That's pretty good. It's unlimited number of journeys during one day until service closed down. I'm going to get a single ticket because I don't know what I'm going to be doing today. As you can see on the app, it said €2 and here it's $2.15, so it's more or less. It's to give you an idea. Okay, I came from there. I'm right by the Olympic Village and I'm walking towards the water. That way, towards the sea. So this is called Marina Village, and look. It's so sunny out. I'm on the beach. Let's go swimming. Another way of getting around in Barcelona is to take a taxi. Okay, so you always go to get a taxi at a taxi stand unless there isn't one around. If you see a free cab with the green light on, then you can stop it, you can hail it. Now, if you see a lot of like free taxis that are empty with a green light and there's a taxi stand right by it, they're gonna tell you to go to the taxi stand. And are the taxis expensive? Well, it's more expensive than taking the metro or the bus, of course. To give you an idea, a 5-minute ride is about 10 euros, more or less. Another option is to go by bike. Okay, you go to that website there and you ask for a card. You order a card. You put your card against this reader and then it'll tell you what number you have to go to, what bike you have to go to. And there are various stations where you can get a bike. You see better here. Okay, now we're gonna go back to the hotel by train, by subway, by metro. Okay, so let's go into the metro. My app said that I have to take L4. We are here now. We went to visit Villa Olímpica. I want to go to Selva de Mar. That's where my hotel is. And I have to take L4, line 4, in the direction of La Pau. Both directions are to the right. One ticket, single ticket, $2.15. So according to the app, I have to take T4. It's going to take me 7 minutes and it's going to cost me 2 euros. It was $2.15, so far so good, and it's definitely T7. No, T4. A big bus. By the way, for the buses take small bills, coins, and cards. Okay, hoppers, I'm here at the airport. I'm ready to board. I'm going back to Germany, to Frankfurt. I hope this video helped you guys, and I'll see you guys real soon in my next video, okay? Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye! Ready to board!